好，各位同學大家好啦。咁呢個係2012年嘅MC 第1067題嘅。咁呢一條咧係關於一個per unit test 嘅題目啦。咁呢一種題目咧，其實我哋答題嘅時候咧，永遠咧都係依循住咧幾個步驟嘅啫。咁首先第一啦，我哋要睇翻今次呢一個咧係一個4蚊嘅稅啦。咁所以咧，當實施咗4蚊嘅稅之後咧，我哋就要諗一諗啦，究竟對於 producer 嚟講，佢真正收到嘅錢係幾多咧？咁我哋就會話咧，呢一個叫做 actual price received by producer。咁例如啦，如果市價係10蚊嘅時候咧，其實 producer 佢真正收到嘅根本就唔係10蚊，因為有4蚊稅咧係要交俾政府嘅。咁所以佢嘅 actual price received 咧其實只係6蚊。市價11蚊嘅時候咧，其實佢嘅 actual price received 只係7蚊。咁如此類推，我哋就可以填晒咧下面呢一個部分嘅。咁我會話咧，呢一個係答呢種題目嘅第一步。好啦，根據 actual price received by producer， 第二步我哋可以睇啲咩咧？嗱，由於而家 producer 真正面對嘅價格其實係括弧裏邊嘅數字，咁所以咧 producer 咧佢就會 adjust 佢嘅 production plan 噶啦。咁即係話咧，我哋會出現一行咧叫做 new QS，new QS 就係 producer 根據自己真正收到嘅錢而去 adjust 自己嘅 quantity supplied。當如果係 producer 只係收到6蚊嘅時候咧，其實我哋係唔知道 QS 係幾多嘅，因為根據原先嘅 supply schedule 咧，我哋係睇唔到。如果原先係7蚊嘅時候，我哋亦都睇唔到，8蚊都冇，9蚊都冇。好啦，直至到去到10蚊嘅時候呢個位置，我哋會見到咧，其實 producer 佢係願意供應300件，所以喺呢個位我哋寫翻300落去。然後去到11蚊嘅時候 ，producer 其實係願意供應400件，所以呢個位我哋就會寫翻400落去啦。好，當我哋做完呢一步之後咧，其實我哋已經咧揾到新嘅呢個嘅 supply schedule。嗱，咁我哋就去對比翻未加稅之前同埋加稅之後嘅情況啦。未加稅之前咧，其實 equilibrium price 係響12蚊。equilibrium quantity 會係響500件，加咗稅之後咧，你會發覺啦，幾時 QD 會等於 QS 咧，就會係個 equilibrium 啦。咁我發現咧，原來而家咧個 QD 係300，QS 咧喺呢個時候都係300，即係話咧 QD 等於 QS 嘅時候咧，就會係當價格係14蚊嘅時候，當市價當 market price 係14蚊嘅時候咧，原來 QD 就會等於 QS 啦。咁所以喺咁嘅情形底下咧，我哋就可以開始判斷以下 A、B、C、D 邊個係啱嘅啦。首先啦 ，total test revenue，total test revenue 係究竟點計咧？就應該係用翻 per unit test 乘翻而家真正嘅交易量係300件，即係話應該係1200。所以咧 total test revenue 200咧就錯咗啦。好啦 ，B，total sales revenue will be dropped by 1800。咁呢一個咧係講緊個 sales revenue including tax 嘅。咁究竟係咪真係 drop by 1800咧？我哋就要睇下究竟而家新嘅 total revenue including tax 係幾多？咁就會係新嘅 total sales revenue including tax 係幾多？咁就會係14蚊嘅市價乘翻300件，然後就減翻原先未加稅之前，就會係12蚊嘅市價乘翻500件。咁我哋咁樣計一計之後咧，就發覺，咦，真係喎！原來咧，我哋嗰一個嘅 total 嘅 sales revenue 咧，係真係跌咗1800蚊嘅。好，咁所以 B 就係答案啦。好 C 啦 ，demand for good 呢度打錯啦 ，good 啦應該係 for good as is inelastic 咁樣。咁呢個啱唔啱咧？嗱，你會發覺而家市價由12蚊變咗14蚊，即係話而家價格係上升咗。但係咧個 total revenue 啱啱我哋喺 option B 嗰度計咗啦 ，total revenue 咧就係跌喎。咁即係咩意思咧？呢度就即係暗示咗 percentage increase in P 係細過 percentage decrease in Q。咁亦都即係暗示咗呢啲應該係大過1，應該係 elastic 先啱嘅。咁所以 C 亦都係錯嘅。好啦，最後啦 ，total sales revenue for the substitutes of good eggs will drop。嗱，而家 good eggs 係貴咗， 所以 demand for 呢個 good X 嘅 substitute 咧，就應該係會上升嘅，因為而家 good X 貴咗，啲人就會嘗試揾 good X 嘅替代品，所以 demand for good X substitute 就應該係上升。咁以至到啦 price of the substitute and also quantity transacted of the substitute 都應該會係上升，因為幅圖會係咁樣嘅情況 D1 D2 shifts to the right， 所以不論係個 P 定係個 Q 都增加咗，所以個 total sales revenue of substitutes 咧係應該增加就唔係跌啦。